Yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. Today guys, I made $403, which is really awesome. I took about 40 points take profit, and I'll share with you how I took that trade, and also I'll share with you day number 6, which was 6/13th. I made about $142. Not a big profit, but I still made some profit that day. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. We're gonna first review day number 6, which is 6/13. So coming into 6/13, which was Thursday 6/13, we're looking into a bullish bias. We're trading all-time high. We're coming back to retrace down a little bit, and that 15 minutes fair value gap to the upside, it was holding the price up. And the trade that I took was right. So I took actually like 2 trades, to be honest, just to be 100% transparent with you guys. There was a bearish fair value gap here, was inversed, and I entered right after we inversed it. I was targeting the market structure shift retest, and we never got that pull to the upside, and I got stopped to break even. Same thing with this trade. So that's it. That's the only 2 trades I took. That was break even. The third and final trade was a take profit, and I waited until we were coming out of this 15 minutes fair value gap. We were respecting it and we were pushing to the upside. There was no SMT presented here. There was one right here, and that was there was a 3-minute bearish fair value gap that was holding the price down, and was a bearish fair value gap. And I to be honest, I waited until that bearish fair value gap to break, and we inverse it fully, and then I jumped in. I tried to look for another small time frame, like 30 seconds inverse, to go ahead and enter from it, and my target was like these equal highs right here. That's why my take profit was right there. So right on the 30 seconds, here is my execution. I'm gonna show you all the executions in the video and everything, and I'm not trying to hide anything from you. This is my my executions right here. I tried to try with this gap, and it ended up not pushing through, and then I tried it again with this, and then I got in on the retest again when I saw that we were holding this inverse, and my final TP was right here on I think it was like somewhere in here. I don't really care about it. But yeah, I tried it with a very light risk. I didn't put any much risk on the table, and I just got out full TP right there. I don't know why it shows 7 and 3. I think I only tried it with 3 with 3 micros. I don't know why it shows that. But anyways, that's my execution for that day. Moving on to today. So today, why I took the trade on the 15 minutes, we were still holding that fair value gap to the left. It was bullish, and I was honestly looking for a bullish setup and a long setup. So 6 a.m. my time, which is 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. We were right here, reacted from it, and we were like pushing the price up. So going to the 1 minute, here is the trade. Here is 9 a.m. news, or 10 a.m. New York time news. We had consumer sentiment at 9, and it came negative or red, so the index should go higher. So that was one confluence to me that we were supposed to be pushing the price higher and higher, but the news came and we dumped. So I immediately knew that this was a manipulation. Also, something else other than the manipulation of the news, we're trading all-time high. I was bullish. The third confluence that we had is we had an SMT right here between this low and this low. So yes, we did not sweep it completely, but we did go down like very close to it. Like, you can take any low of here. The main point and the main goal is that we made a lower low compared to Nasdaq, and Nasdaq was all the way right here. We even did not take this low. So this low is right here on the S&P, and we did take it like a while back, and the S&P made a lower low. Nasdaq failed to do so, so I knew that we were manipulating down and we're just sending the price down to trap a lot of sellers. So that's where I went to the 30 seconds, and it was on the 1 minute as well, but I like to take my entries on the 30 seconds or the 1 minute. It's either way, it's the same execution. Like right here on the 1 minute, you can also see it pretty clear right here. Let me extend that. So yeah, right here, bearish fair value gap, we inversed it and I jumped it right in on the 30 seconds. I can show you the execution, so I am not lying. Right here, this is, I got it on this candle. It was a buy and I targeted, took me off, it took off my position on this candle. I tried it with very light risk, my normal light risk, 5 micros, and this won me, let's see, performance right here, won me $400 and $403, and it made me get out of my drawdown that I was right here. I was in $200 drawdown, so I made that $200 drawdown and I took another $200 in profit. So right now I'm really happy with the performance so far. I'm really happy with the profit that I made on all 4 accounts actually, and I'm looking forward to make more profit, and for that max loss to be trailed to 0, so that way, so at that time I'll be having like $2,000 and I would be able to withdraw money from it. I'm not sure how much I want to withdraw as my first payout yet, but we'll figure it out as we go. The main goal and the important thing is to follow the process, and trading, I know, is a long game, and it's a long journey, and we have to focus on the process and don't focus too much on the money. The money will come and the money will follow just like that. As you see, the difference between not following my rules the first couple days versus following actually my rules, being satisfied with the small gains, with small wins, with small profit, and just keep going. Like this trade is a 40-point trade. If I had it with like 1 mini, 2 mini, 3 mini, 4 mini, I'm pretty sure I would have made more than that, but I'm just gotta stay disciplined, gotta follow my risk plan, my risk management, all of that. My personal daily loss is $250, so taking $400 for that day, it's really good. It's almost 1 to 2, so it's not really something that I'm upset about of taking a small profit. No, this is really good, and I wish that I keep going and keep improving and keep following my rules. And I hope you guys had a green day today. If not, just keep following your rules, guys. This is a long-term goal. This is a long process that you have to follow each to the tick, and just focus on the process more than the money, guys, and the money will follow, I promise. This is not just saying just to say, because I know a lot of people been saying that, but actually focus on the process. And the way that you focus on the process is actually following your rules and getting into setups that you would absolutely 100% want to try. So when you lose, you're not upset that you lost, because you won't be able to miss on this trade. So just get in trades that you would really absolutely have to take, and there's setups and confluences behind it that supports that decision. And I'll leave it at that, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a good weekend, and see you in the next one. Peace.